Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. I will absolutely love it if you subscribe to my channel, activate the bell notification button and like this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I prep my skin before makeup. So this is what I do before applying foundation and concealer. And this is how I prep my skin. If you want to know how to prep your skin before makeup, please do continue watching the video. So first I'm going to use this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is a Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Like some people use this after finishing their base makeup, but I love to use this before starting any makeup on my face. So I use this on my face now. I'm just going to spritz some on my face. So this is how much I use on my face. This is just wow. This is so refreshing and I love this. So I just leave this for some time and I'm going to pat this on my face. You can also use this after doing your base makeup. It sort of keep your makeup intact on your face for longer time. We are done with this. And then I'm going to use the MAC Studio Moisture Cream. So this is a moisturizer cream which has very minute radiant particles, which is so good, and it makes your skin more suitable for applying foundation. So now I'm going to use this. Don't forget your neck. This moisturizer gives a very nice canvas for your foundation to glide on. This is so good. Oh my god. And this smells so good. For primer, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage. Okay, this primer has way too much of shimmers in it. If you are not a fan of shimmers, please do stay away from this. But this gives a very good glow to your skin, and this also hides all your pores and it closes all your open pores. So this is a good primer to fill in all your pores. And now I'm going to use this on my skin. I'm going to take a little bit of this, only this much, like very little. And I'm going to slightly pat the primer on. I'm not going to rub it, I'm just going to slightly pat it. So as you can see, it already added so much glow to my skin. And now I'm going to again leave this for a minute, and I'm going to use the MAC Stroke Cream. This is in the shade Pink Light and this is from the Little MAC range. This is again my most favorite thing. So what I do is I take a little bit of this on my finger. Not so much, only this much. And I'm going to put this all over my face. And I'm going to concentrate more on the place where my cheekbones are, and also on the high points. So I'm just going to place this on my face. Maybe here, here. Yep. I'm going to blend it. So prepping your skin before makeup is very important so that your foundation glides on so well, and also it stays for a longer time and your makeup stays for a really longer time. So basically you're just creating a good canvas for your foundation to glide on. And I love to have a radiant skin. Come on guys, it's now in trend. And that's it guys, this is how I prep my skin before doing any makeup. So I love using MAC based products. I also have a separate drugstore skin prep routine. I'll do it in another video in future. And MAC is my most favorite brand. If you know me already, you will know that I love MAC. And yeah, I hope you find this helpful, and if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.